come see your mom. Come on. You need help? Oh, goodness. Okay. Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. So today is gonna be my first, I guess, cosplay type video. I don't know, like, I guess that's what it would be called. I'm not really into cosplay, honestly. I don't really go to those events or anything like that, and I have nothing against it. I just, I went to like one, and I don't know, it just felt weird. I didn't like it. I don't know. I guess I just don't enjoy it, but I'm weird, so nothing against like those cosplay events or anything. Like, they seem really neat. I just wasn't really into it, but maybe I need to go to like a better one. Anyways, let's get right into this video because I am rambling again. If you're new to my channel, thanks so much for watching. Me and Jack appreciate it so much, but I ramble a lot in my videos, as you guys know that if you've been here a long time. So since it is my first one, please bear with me. It's probably going to be super awkward. I'm also a very awkward person, if you guys haven't noticed by now, if you've been watching my videos a while, and I've accepted it. I'm totally fine with it. I think what I'm going to do for this video is I am going to show you guys the character, and then I will show you guys the materials, and then I'll just show, you know, like the process of me putting the whole outfit together, and then I'll show you the look at the end of the video. So the character I want to do is called Poopsie. I think that's her name, and it's so random because I don't know why I wanted to do it. I just got this idea in my head, and I was like, I'm just gonna try it. It sounds fun. And I was in Kohl's one night with my husband, and I think it was like a little game or a doll or something. I'm not even really sure what it is. But it's like some Poopsie unicorn thing, and I just thought it was hilarious, and I just wanted to do a video of making her outfit and just making it come alive because I just thought that was so cool. Like, I don't even know if it's a figurine or what. I think it's like a little doll, and I'll put it up on the screen here. So you can see she's got like the unicorn look going on, and the rainbow eyes, and the rainbow hair, which I'm keeping. I just wanted to wear for this video, like in the beginning as well, but I am going to be using this wig. So I'm just going to try to imitate that. We'll see how this goes. I don't know. So let me show you guys the materials that I got for this. Okay, so it looks like in the picture she's wearing a purple shirt. So I just got a plain purple shirt. And you know what's funny is that it is a maternity shirt, and I did not even realize, you guys. I just wanted to find one really quick at Goodwill, and I did, but I wasn't paying attention to what it said on the inside. So we're going to be using a maternity shirt. I don't even know if I'm going to cut it yet. I haven't decided because it looks like she's wearing a little crop top. But this color was pretty spot on, so that's why I kind of gravitated towards this one, and I wasn't paying attention. Then I got the rainbow ribbon to put on the shirt because she has that on there. Then I got the yellow star. It's kind of huge, but this was what I found. It's a little twinkle star. It says "Try me." It doesn't work anymore. But yeah, we're gonna try to use this. I don't know. I mean, it's huge, but it's fine. Then I already had this in my closet, this red shiny skirt. I thought this would be really pretty. I know she's wearing shorts, but I am not wearing shorts, you guys. I'm not a shorts kind of gal. I'll wear biker shorts in the summer, like if we do something that's like active, like biking or walking or whatever. But I'm using a skirt for this. I'm adding my own twist to it. And then of course we got the rainbow wig, and then to top it off, we're going to be using rainbow contacts. I really like these a lot. I've worn them before, so I think it's going to add a nice little touch to it. So I guess let's get started creating this look, and then I'll show y'all how it looks at the end of the video. Alright you guys, so all I'm doing is I'm cutting my ribbon to the correct length, and I'm just going to use fabric glue for this project, and I'm going to glue the rainbow stripe on, and then I will glue the star on. Okay you guys, so this is the final look, and you know, I'm probably gonna throw this top away when this video's over, honestly, because it looks a hot mess. I can't see anything right now. I have rainbow contacts in and they're not prescription, so come here bud. I know Angel. So here's what happened with this outfit you guys, once again with the glue. I glued this on, okay, and I glued the rainbow stripe on, or the rainbow ribbon, and my impatient self decided it was dry, and it wasn't, of course. So me being impatient, I went ahead and put it on, and it was a disaster. So I have glue all over the shirt. I don't know if you guys can see it. I cannot see a thing right now. So I was trying to sew this on when I have rainbow contacts in. I can't see a thing. It was my fault. I should have just let it dry longer, but I'm impatient. So I messed it up, but I glued this on and it came off, and so I just sewed the top on. It just looks so ghetto. I'm sorry you guys, but I tried, you know, and I should have just sewn it on the first time, and I didn't. But the unicorn headband I think is so cute. It actually came with a little Poopsie cosplay costume that I bought. It doesn't look like this, but the skirt goes with it, I think. I like this skirt. And then I meant to get a slushie for this video, you guys, to give it the full effect, and I forgot. I'm a hot mess, y'all. So I had to improvise, and I used my little Moschino bag. So cute. Anyways, I can't see a thing right now, so I have no idea what this outfit looks like, but I'll upload it later and be like, wow. Anyways, Jack and I will see you guys in our next video. You need to say bye. Oh, sweetie, you wanted to say bye to everyone. Oh.